Hello, dear students. I welcome you to today's session. So, as you all know, we are doing chapter 3, money and credit. We have already done a lot about in this chapter, money and credit. So, though we have already done it, just for revision purpose, I thought that let me use this mode to interact with you. So, what we are talking about is the points that we have done. Okay, children? What points we have done till now? We have done the, yes, double coincidence of wants. Okay, children. I hope you all remember it. I don't need to explain it. Okay, double coincidence of wants. Another thing that we have done successfully is the terms of credit, isn't it? Yes. Terms of credit में children, when somebody avails loan from the bank, then what are the various conditions through which the person has to procure the loan from the bank, that we have done. Another thing that is important that we have done in this is collateral. Yes, collateral, as you know, we have discussed about it, the asset that a person has and how he is using that, how he is procuring loan from that asset. That is what we have done. Now, Rajan and two of the students who were there, who have thought of taking research work, doing a research work, we will be talking about it. It is about whom? About Rohit and Ranjan. Rohit and Ranjan. They are discussing about 3 people. One is Shyamal. Okay. Shyamal. Who is the next one? Yes, Arun. And the other one and the last one, who was that? We will be discussing about whom? Yes, I know you all know about about the lady, and that is Rama. So children, we will be talking about these 3 people who have procured loan, and through the loan activities, what all problems they have faced and what all changes had happened in their lives. That is what we have to discuss about. Last video we have discussed about Shyamal. There is what we have stopped about Shyamal, where he is taking the loan as a trader. He is taking a loan from the agricultural trader, and the crop prices are low after the harvest. The trader is able to make a profit from buying the crops. He is buying the crops from Shyamal, and he takes the loan, he takes the things from Shyamal in a very low rate, and then he goes and sells it in the market when the prices are high. So you can understand this agricultural trader is making a lot of money. Okay, so we need to understand this. Okay, children. Another one, the person who we have to talk about is Arun. He has 7 acres of land, and as you all know that he is one of the persons. 7 acres of land. अब यहाँ पे आप बता सकते हो, like Shyamal has got 15 acres of land. ठीक है, he has got 15 acres of land, and Arun has got 7 acres of land. Got it? So they are receiving the bank loan. Arun is taking the bank loan, and he is taking at यहाँ पे he Shyamal has taken the loan from the money lender, from the agricultural trader, at 3% per month, isn't it? Per month he is paying interest 3%, and Arun has to pay annually 8.5% per annum. 8.5%, isn't it? So you can understand, you can see the difference that is there. 3% and 8.5% यहाँ पे per month है, and here it is per annum, isn't it? So you can understand that he is also intending, Arun is more at profit, because he's storing, he's keeping all the things, and he's also growing potato, and potato is so much in demand. So whenever the potato prices will increase, so he will bring all this potato in the market, and that is what he is saying here, that he is keeping the potatoes in a cold storage. And against the cold storage receipt, मतलब कोल्ड स्टोरेज में ही हैज केप्ट सपोज 2 क्विंटल्स ऑफ पोटैटो, तो उसको रिसीट मिली है. नाउ द बैंक नोज कि अरुण ने कोल्ड स्टोरेज में, क्योंकि आलू है ना, आलू तो खराब हो जाएगा, आई यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग, तो जल्दी सड़ जाएगा, तो कोल्ड स्टोरेज इज देयर. मेनी ऑफ द विलेजेस दिस फैसिलिटी ऑफ कोल्ड स्टोरेज इज देयर, वेयर द फार्मर्स कीप देयर प्रोड्यूस फॉर द फ्यूचर यूज, और बैंक इसके एवज में लोन देता है. बैंक नोज इट वेरी वेल कि आज पोटैटो 10 रुपीज केजी है, हो सकता है कल को 20 रुपीज केजी हो जाए. सो अरुण इज स्मार्ट एंड ही हैज केप्ट दिस पोटैटो इन द कोल्ड स्टोरेज. So he is procuring loan against this against this potato that he has kept in the cold storage, because bank knows it very well that he can make profit at any point of time. So bank will, what will be they doing? They will offer loan, this facility to farmers who have taken crop loan from them. Okay, कि crop loan लिया है अभी, they have taken it, they are paying the interest and they will be paying the principal when proper amount is there. So bank will be helping those people who have kept their material in the cold storage. Got it? तो यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस किया, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट श्यामल, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट अरुण. अभी थर्ड हम किसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे? वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट रमा. Rama is an agricultural laborer and there are several months, बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है that Rama has no work. She is a lady. So whenever a laborer's work is there, she is the one who has to, who is, jobless, because whenever the people keep any laborer, अगर किसी लेबरर को रख रहे हैं, दे ऑलवेज प्रिफर अ मेल मेंबर एज अ लेबरर rather than keeping a female member as a laborer. So she has no work and needs credit, daily expenses, घर का खर्चा चलाने के लिए she needs money, and then sudden illnesses are there or functions are there in the family. You know, all these poor people who are staying in the rural areas, daily का जो उनका expense है, that is intact. But then there are other obligations also that these rural people have to meet. These obligations, got it? So she is she goes in Sonpur. She is a medium landowner and she is depending on her employer. The person who has employed her, she is depending on that employer. Who is a medium landowner in Sonpur, and he is for credit. And what happens is that the landowner charges an interest rate of 5% per month. यहाँ देखो, this was 3% per month. Here it was 8.5% per annum. अभी अरुण सबसे ज्यादा फायदे में अरुण है. Now look at the condition of Rama. Rama का क्या हो रहा है? Rama is procuring a loan at 5% per month. अगेन पर मंथ वाला हिसाब किताब है, 5% per month. Got it, children? So you can understand the kind of loss that Rama would be facing. Okay. So Rama's condition is really bad. Rama has taken the loan from the landowner, and most of the time Rama has to take a fresh loan. Bar she has to take a loan. She is taking the loan, but she is unable to fulfill the requirements, fulfill the conditions or the requirements of the house, and then again she has to take the loan. So and what happens? She owes the landowner. अभी landowner का कितना कर्जा उसके ऊपर चढ़ गया है? She is owing a rupees 5,000. 5,000 रुपए उसको देने हैं, इनकम नाम की नहीं है, एंड शी इज कंटिन्यूअसली टेकिंग द लोन फ्रॉम द लैंड ओनर हु हैज एम्प्लॉयड हर एज अ लेबरर का काम भी वो कर रही है, एंड नाउ शी इज इनटू अ वेरी बैड कंडीशन. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड रमा's condition. So what happens is that the landowner doesn't treat her the way she would be treated her, and she continues to work for him. काफी सारा वो काम कर रही है. She tries to fulfill the demands of the land. Whatever work, जो भी वो काम कराता है, चाहे वो घर में झाड़ू पोछा कराए, whatever work he will be asking, she has to do that because कर्जदार है, उसने कर्जा लिया हुआ है. Are you understanding? So Rama's condition is very deplorable. So Rama tells us that the only source of credit for the landless people in Sonpur are the landowner or the employer. ठीक है, the landowners who are there, they are the rich people. So whenever the people need credit, they approach the landowners, and landowners इसका पूरा फायदा उठाते. 5% per month के interest पे they have given the loan. So you can understand in what condition Rama is. Okay, so that is there. Loans, the people are taking loan from the cooperatives also. How does the cooperatives function? ठीक है. Other major source of credit is, try to understand children, you have to see cooperatives. Okay. अभी हाउ डज द कोऑपरेटिव्स फंक्शन, ये कोऑपरेटिव्स किस तरह से काम करते हैं, लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट इट. सबसे पहले रूरल एरियाज में द कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज आर देयर. ठीक है, और यू कैन से कोऑपरेटिव्स आर देयर. तो मेंबर्स ऑफ अ कोऑपरेटिव पूल देयर रिसोर्सेस. पूल मींस सारे लोग अपने रिसोर्सेस को इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, सपोज 50 फैमिलीज आर देयर. 50 फैमिलीज दे पूल देयर रिसोर्सेस. जितना भी उनके पास जमा पूंजी है, चाहे वॉट एवर एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस इज देयर, दे पूल इट. एंड फॉर सर्टेन एरियाज में दे नीड टू कोऑपरेट. जहां पे भी जिसको भी जरूरत पड़ेगी, देयर आर सेवरल टाइप्स ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव्स. ओके, एंड पॉसिबल सच एज, जैसे कि कोऑपरेटिव्स खाली इट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर वन कैटेगरी. Cooperatives, as the word itself signifies the meaning, it is cooperatives. सारे लोगों ने मिलके cooperate करके जो बनाया है, that is cooperatives. The word itself has got the meaning. Got it? So cooperatives are there. Farmer cooperatives, farmers भी अपनी cooperatives बनाते हैं, weavers भी अपनी cooperatives बनाते हैं, and then industrial workers, they also make cooperatives. तो like in the rural areas, there is the Krishak cooperative which functions in a village. किसी भी village में कृषक किसानों के लिए जो होता है, ठीक है, and ये बहुत जरूरी होता है. These cooperative societies are very much needed in the rural areas, क्योंकि इन किसानों को अक्सर जब भी जरूरत पड़ती है, whenever they are in need of money or of any other kind of a help, at that time the help that is provided is by these cooperatives. Are you getting it? So Krishak cooperative is functioning in the village. We're not very far away from Sonpur, वहीं पे है. It has, and how many members are there? 2,300 farmers are the members in this Krishak cooperative society. 2,300 farmers are the members, and what do? They accept the deposit from its members. सारे मेंबर्स जो हैं कुछ ना कुछ पैसा जमा करते रहते हैं. 2,300 फार्मर्स आर देयर. कब किसको जरूरत पड़ जाएगी, nobody knows that. किसी को भी नहीं पता इसके बारे में. So they keep on pooling the money so that in times of need, हर एक को पता है, everybody knows कि कल आज उसकी जरूरत है, कल मेरी जरूरत पड़ सकती है. So these cooperatives need to be functioning properly. That is there. तो दे हैव ऑब्टेन्ड अ लार्ज लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक से भी, और ये जो डिपॉजिट है, द कोऑपरेटिव्स, द डिपॉजिट दैट दे हैव, इट सर्व्स एज अ कोलैटरल. ठीक है, बैंक को कुछ दिखाना पड़ता है ना कि हाँ हमारे पास कुछ जमा पूंजी है, वी हैव गॉट सम एसेट. तो दीज मनी दैट इज पूल्ड बाय द फार्मर्स इन द रूरल एरियाज सर्व्स एज अ collateral to procure loan from the bank. एंड दीज फंड्स, ये जो मनी है आर यूज टू प्रोवाइड लोन्स टू द मेंबर्स, विच एवर मेंबर्स वांट द लोन, किसी को भी कभी भी जरूरत पड़ सकती है. सो वंस दीज लोन्स आर रीपेड, एक बार ये लोन जो है सारा जब रीपे हो जाता है, अनदर राउंड ऑफ लेंडिंग कैन टेक प्लेस. ठीक है. सो बैंक से दे हैव पूल्ड, सपोज दे हैव पूल्ड 2 लाख रुपीज, 2300 फार्मर्स आर देयर. सारे अगर 100 रुपए भी जमा करेंगे, हजार रुपए भी जमा करेंगे, तो आप सोच लो कितना पैसा हो जाएगा. तो दैट इज देयर, और बहुत मिनिमल अमाउंट. इसके एवज में द बैंक गिव्स देम लोन एंड द कृषक कोऑपरेटिव प्रोवाइड्स लोन्स फॉर द परचेज ऑफ. क्या काम करते हैं इससे? व्हेन दे प्रोक्योर द लोन, when they are taking the loan from the bank, what do the Krishak cooperative societies does? Krishak cooperative societies utilizes that money. उसी मनी को वो यूटिलाइज करते हैं किस चीज के लिए? फॉर प्रोक्योरिंग एग्रीकल्चरल ट्रेड, फिशरी लोन्स फ्रॉम फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाउसेज एंड फॉर अ वैरायटी ऑफ अदर एक्सपेंसेस. काफी सारी चीजों के लिए वो इन पैसे का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Got it, children? So we need to understand how these cooperatives are functioning. Got it? So children, just now we discussed about cooperatives. I hope it is clear to you. नहीं समझ में आया अभी? Okay, चलो I'll discuss once again. Cooperatives. So let's start it once again. As you all can see, cooperatives. Okay? क्या था? What was the major thing in the concept of cooperatives is that the word itself has got the meaning. It means जो cooperate करके बनाते हैं, साथ में मिलके. Got it, children? When the people who are there in the rural areas एक दूसरे का हाथ थाम के, एक दूसरे को समझ के, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को अपनी प्रॉब्लम मान के, when the people come together, then they form the cooperatives. Okay? So example, if we say, then we will be saying Krishak cooperatives. Krishak means, yes, it's farmers. Got it? The most common one, जो सबसे कॉमन है अमंगस्ट फॉर द फार्मर, फॉर द कोऑपरेटिव्स में जो सबसे कॉमन हम बात करेंगे, दैट इज अबाउट द कृषक कोऑपरेटिव्स. गॉट इट, चिल्ड्रन? सो बैंक, द मेजर सोर्स, द पीपल हु प्रोक्योर लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक्स, आई मीन स्पेशली इन द रूरल एरियाज. अभी हम गांव के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सोनपुर. तो वहां पे दीज पीपल हु आर देयर, जो किसान कैटेगरी के लोग हैं, दे टेक द लोन्स फ्रॉम द कोऑपरेटिव्स. कोऑपरेटिव्स में क्या करते हैं? हर महीने कुछ ना कुछ पैसा जमा करते हैं. दे डिपॉजिट सम मनी एवरी मंथ और वीकली, दैट डिपेंड्स. उसके बारे में तो वी आर नॉट सेइंग, बट द एग्जाम्पल दैट हाउ डज दिस काइंड ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव्स वर्क, दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लेन. गॉट इट, चिल्ड्रन? सो मेजर सोर्स ऑफ चीप क्रेडिट, हमको वो गांव में क्या मिलता है फॉर द कोऑपरेटिव्स मेंबर्स? व्हाट डू? दे पूल देयर रिसोर्सेस, सारा अपना जितना वॉट एवर रिसोर्सेस दे हैव, जितना भी एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस है और एनी अदर एसेट्स दे हैव, लैंड्स दैट दे हैव, दे ब्रिंग इट टुगेदर, साथ में लेके आते हैं. Then what happens? They pool it. Pool आप समझते हो ना, एक साथ कर लेना. Now what happens? There are several types of cooperatives. हर तरीके का है. फार्मर्स के लिए होता है, वीवर्स के लिए होता है, इंडस्ट्रियल वर्कर्स ऑल्सो मेक cooperatives. तो even the banking institutions also have cooperatives. Yes, children. Even the banks and most of the organizations, they have the cooperatives, which is very much required in all the organizations, because when readily, agar immediately kuch some crisis is there or some necessity is there, at that time these cooperatives, ये क्योंकि local लोग होते हैं, जान पहचान वाले होते हैं. Got it? So these people come to help you readily, तुरंत मदद पहुंच जाती है. तो Industrial workers cooperative is there. Krishak cooperative functions in a village. It is not very far away. Sonpur ki, we are talking about the village Sonpur. Oh, I hope you all remember that. Sonpur. Got it? So when we are talking about Sonpur, तो सारी चीजें हमको सोनपुर के बारे में पता होनी चाहिए. That is what I think is important. 2300 farmers are there as members of the Krishak cooperative में. तो 2300 is a big number. एक एक बंदा, अभी I discussed it just now that even if a farmer deposits 100 rupees per month, तो भी या per week, वीकली तो इतना जमा कर ही सकते हैं 100 rupees in today's times when we are talking about. So it accepts deposits from its members deposit the money, and with these deposits as collateral, ठीक है, suppose some big amount is needed for the village, for the betterment, for the welfare of the village, hospital खोलना है, road बनाना है, agricultural equipments are to be bought. So these cooperatives play a very important role. Banks also readily provide loan for that. Got it? So these funds are used to provide loans to the members, and once what happens, these loans are repaid. एक बारी जब loan repay हो जाता है, another round of lending can take place. People are also very aware कि cooperative से अगर पैसा लिया है, लोन लिया है, then they have to pay it back on time. खुद का फायदा है. It is their own benefit. So they always try to be regular in depositing their money, whatever they have taken from the cooperatives. Got it, children? So इसमें the major function that is mentioned in this topic is about the Krishak cooperative. It provides loans. किस लिए? Because when you are procuring loan, आप cooperative से जब loan लेते हो, तो you have to give a proper reason for that. Okay, so you say for buying agricultural implements, तुरंत loan मिलेगा immediately. Because as a farmer, your priority is the good agricultural produce. Output has to be better. जितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से पैसे मिलने चाहिए. Got it? So they provide loan for the purchase of agricultural implements. Loans are also given for cultivation, agricultural trade. Okay, try to understand. Agricultural equipments. And then they are providing loan for agricultural implements. Loans are also provided for cultivation. Got it? Then we also find loan for agriculture, for trade, fishery. Fishery is also one of the very important employment sectors that is providing employment to the people in the rural areas. Rural areas to शहर में भी. I mean, the people who are there in the fishery business, they make a lot of money. Many people eat fish, no? उसके वजह से it's a good mode of income. तो and other expenses also. इसके अलावा भी आप बहुत सारा सोच सकते हो. This is what is given in your book. So ये आप इसको खास करके you have to understand कि cooperatives जो है उससे लोन आपको किन चीजों के लिए मिलता है. So you mention about these. Now some questions are here, children. आपको देखोगे आप आपके पेज नंबर 47 पे there are some questions. You need to solve these questions. List the various sources of credit in Sonpur. सोनपुर में कहाँ से लोगों को पैसा procure हो रहा है. You have to mention about these sources, whether it is formal or informal. Okay. Then you have to underline the various uses of credit in Sonpur. पैसे जो लोग ले रहे हैं, the people who are taking money, they are using this money for what purpose? किस काम के लिए वो ये पैसा यूज कर रहे हैं? You need to mention about that also. Got it, children? Then you have to compare the terms of credit. Remember the terms of credit that we have done the comparative thing. अभी 10-5 मिनट पहले जो किया है, Arun, Shyamal and Rama. The terms of credit that are there for small farmers, medium farmers and the landless agricultural workers. लैंडलेस कौन था इसमें? रमा. ठीक है, लैंड था उसके पास, बट द मनी लेंडर हैड टेकन इट, द पर्सन हु हैज एम्प्लॉयड हर हैज टेकन दैट लैंड विथ हिमसेल्फ, और उसी के बेसिस पे वो जो है सारा काम करा रहे थे. तो टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट ऑफ द स्मॉल फार्मर, मीडियम फार्मर्स एंड लैंडलेस एग्रीकल्चरल वर्कर जो है सोनपुर में, उनका आपको एक कंपैरेटिव डेटा तैयार करना है. Why will Arun have a higher income from cultivation compared to Shyamal? Shyamal, what has he done? Shyamal has procured the loan and he have invested all that money in the agriculture. उसने फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ सोचा नहीं. Like Arun has planned. The way Arun has planned. Arun ने क्या किया? He has grown potatoes and he has kept it in the cold storage. आज 10 रुपए किलो है. So when the prices will rise, then he will have a good income by selling this potato in the market. So he have done a smart work. Okay, Arun has done a very smart work. So you need to mention about it. Sonpur mein, what are the other modes, other method? Can everyone in Sonpur get credit at a cheap rate? आराम से सबको पैसे मिल सकते हैं कि नहीं मिल सकते हैं? You need to mention about it. Who are the people who can get credit, जिनको पैसे मिल सकते हैं आराम से? The people who can procure money, you need to mention about them also. Then you have some MCQs are there. Tick the correct answer. वो आप देख लेना. Over the years, Rama's death, अरुण का क्या स्थिति है, ये आप बताओगे. और उसके बाद talk to some people to find out credit arrangements that exist in your area. Please don't do this activity. I suggest and recommend and please I ask you not to do this activity. किसी से बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Record your conversation. Don't do that. Okay. So question number 7 given on page number 47 is not to be done. Got it? Again, I will write it on the board so that you remember it. Question number 7, page 47 is not to be done. नहीं करना है. Because you have to go talk to the people and find out the credit arrangements. तो ये सारा find out नहीं करना बेटे. When the conditions would be normal, then you have to do that. The next one that is important, the topic that we need to start here is the formal sector credit in India. How the formal sector sanctions the loans. किस तरह से लोगों को ये लोन मिल रहा है, and in what way the formal sectors are functioning, we will be talking about it. I'm just giving you an overview about the formal sectors and their working. We will be discussing it in detail in the next class. सबसे पहले तो you have to understand कि that people obtain loan from various sources. जहां से भी पैसा मिलता है वहां से ले लेते हैं. And the various types of loans can be conveniently grouped as formal sector of loan and informal sector of loan. Examples we have already discussed. So many examples we have discussed जिसमें आपको पता है कि formal कौन सा है और informal कौन सा है. अभी क्या है? That the former are मतलब former means the formal sources of credit. Okay. Formal sources of credit क्या है? Loans are from the banks. People go and procure it from the banks. And informal में क्या है? Money lenders are there, traders are there, employers, relatives, friends, जिससे आपको पैसे की जरूरत है आप ले लेते हो. But then if they ask you to sign a document कि भाई लोन तो पैसे तो ले रहे हो लेकिन प्लीज जरा से यहाँ पे साइन कर दो, पढ़ना जरूर. When you take a loan from an informal source, please read all the documents before signing it. Many a time this kind of a forgery happens. कि वो कागज में कुछ और लिखा रहता है and they get your signatures and then they say ये तो तुम्ही ने साइन किया था, you have signed it and you have given all your land to me and now you are saying this way. So that is there. Certain graphs are there. We need to do this graph. Various sources of credit is clearly mentioned here. Rural households which are there in India, and more credit is coming from the formal sector or the informal sector. इसको हमको we will be comparing it कि formal sector से लोग ज्यादा, the people are procuring loan from the formal sector or they are procuring loan from the informal sector. We will be understanding it. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We will be comparing it. Comparative data we will be preparing about it. Another thing that is important is the role of Reserve Bank of India in the giving of loans. The loans that are being sanctioned, usme RBI, what kind of a role is played by RBI? We will be talking about it. जैसे कि we have seen that banks maintain a minimum cash balance. 15% वो आपका हमेशा अपने पास रखते हैं, बाकी they rotate that money. तो out of the deposits they receive. तो RBI जो है, it monitors that what work the banks are doing. How are they maintaining the cash balance? That is monitored by the RBI. How is it done? Yes. That is what we will be discussing in the next video, children. Got it? Till then, keep watching, keep revising. Thank you so much and all the best to you, children.